Welcome to this tutorial on creating a shortcode in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to quickly add a shortcode to your website using a user-friendly interface. We begin by directing you to open your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is the first step in accessing your WordPress account and starting the process. Once you are on the WordPress site, locate the login section, which is conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page. This placement makes it easy to find and click on the login option so that you can get started. After clicking the login button, you will see the option to continue with Google. This method streamlines the login process and saves time, as you will not need to remember a separate password for WordPress. After selecting the option to continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose one of your existing Google accounts. This is a secure and simple way to access your WordPress dashboard. After you select your account, you will find yourself on the WordPress homepage. In the dashboard view, look for the quick links section. This portion of the site provides shortcuts to the most important functions within WordPress. Next, click on the link labeled Edit Site. This action takes you directly into the website editing interface where you can make modifications to your content. On the editing screen, you will see a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Simply click on the specific website you wish to edit so that you can focus on the project at hand. Once you have selected your website, you will need to add the shortcode element. In the editing interface, locate the plus icon situated at the top left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to adding new content blocks to your web page. Clicking it will open up a menu of available elements. In the menu, there is a search bar that allows you to quickly find the block you need. Enter the word shortcode into the search bar. This will filter the list of available blocks and bring the shortcode option into view. When you see the shortcode block, click on it to add the element to your website page. After the shortcode block has been added, you now have a blank field where you can type the actual shortcode you desire to use. This is where you can insert your custom functionality into your page design, whether it is for displaying dynamic content, embedding media, or integrating a third-party service. When you have finished typing the shortcode, ensure that all changes are safely preserved by clicking on the Save button, which is found at the top right corner of the interface. Saving is an important step because it guarantees that your new shortcode and any other modifications to your website will be permanently applied. This concise process allows you to quickly enhance your WordPress site's functionality with a custom shortcode in just a few minutes, providing a seamless integration that can be reused throughout your website. Enjoy the flexibility and power that shortcodes bring to your WordPress projects, and congratulations on learning a new, valuable skill.